I'm so hungry. This egg looks magical, and let's see. Just careful.
Careful. Perfect.
We listen. Just a little. Just a little. Slow. Fresh flavor. Learns to flip.
So soft.
Ready. Let's try. Magical to taste. Listen. So good. One more. Let's make another chopper.
If you enjoyed this magical breakfast, like, share, and subscribe for more fairy stories.